Hi, I'm Amber Hopkins. I'm Punk Rock Earth Mother. This is my kid. Today we're going to make a really awesome chocolatey hemp milk. Have you ever made nut milks? Because they are awesome. I just want to say hi to everybody. Hope you're doing well today. Drop me some comments, drop me some love. I want to see some hearts and stuff. I love that. I'm also going to throw out a challenge to you. If you can make me laugh while I'm doing this video, or even later on after the replay and stuff, I will send you something. I'll send you something free in the mail. So do it. Make me laugh. I love that. Okay. You ready?
She's really easy to make laugh.
Sometimes. Okay. So hemp milk. Hemp milk is awesome. Hemp has a ton of protein and really, really good minerals and vitamins. Magnesium, 50% in one serving. Super awesome. Hemp milk is really easy to make. It just depends what flavor you want it to be. So what I've done is I add hemp and then some other things to make it taste good for the kids.
Like maple syrup. I don't like it when it tastes like sugar.
Anyway, so hemp. I'm gonna half my usual recipe because we're not using that much of it right now. But I use a cup of hemp.
That's way more than that.
It's not, silly.
I think it is. Oh, it isn't. Okay, never mind.
Cup. I need, and I just add the water. So it's 1 cup of hemp to 5 cups of water. So 5 cups of water, 1 cup of hemp. What's great about hemp milk is you don't have to strain it if you don't want to. Almond milk, I usually strain. Cashew milk, I'll strain because it gets really big chunks at the bottom. But hemp milk, you don't have to.
And it's super fluffy and it gives you a milk mustache, but I love dairy-free milk because I don't know why it's so satisfying.
Okay. It's a big old pitcher of milk.
Looks like chunky water.
Okay, so let's
I made you laugh.
You don't count. She doesn't count.
Come on.
So I want to talk to you about something that I forgot to mention yesterday. I wanted to talk to you about synthetic vitamins. So the reason I recommend the products that I do is because they don't have synthetic vitamins in them. And most vitamins, most mineral supplements these days are synthetic. And synthetic, the problem with that is they're made in a lab, so they're not food-based. They're not made out of food. So chemicals will come into your body, and your body doesn't recognize them in the same way that they recognize food-based vitamins. And they're not grouped together in the same way. They don't have the transporters to accomplish what they need to do. So most of those vitamins go right into the toilet. Not even pretty. So what you want to look for in supplements and like protein pills and all of that, protein powders, is food-based vitamins. For example, cyanobalamin, B12 that vegans take, is cyanide, which is synthetic, and your body has to take the cyanide out of it first to use it, and then actually methylate the B12 itself, and then try to process that whole thing. So it makes some more steps and more work for your body, and most of those, again, just go right out the window. So what we're going to do, finish up the hemp milk. You ready? Mm-hmm. Okay. So we're making this chocolate because why wouldn't you make a chocolate? That's awesome.
And it doesn't taste good without chocolate. I'm kidding, it totally does.
The cool thing about making your own nut milks is that it tastes way different than the store-bought ones. So much better. The store-bought ones are just like, have barely any of the nut milks or the seeds in them, and they don't have as many vitamins. They don't have the good protein in it. This has a ton of protein.
And it's much more good for you.
8 grams per cup, which is awesome.
Of what?
8 grams of protein from the hemp, just the hemp. Now this is chocolate protein. It's kids-based. It's for kids. So it just makes it a chocolatey flavor, and it's also got a ton of protein. So this chocolate milk is going to be super high protein. Do you want to do this, or did you want me to?
I want to.
Okay.
Do I just dump it in?
Yeah.
Ah!
So 1 scoop of chocolate protein.
I feel like sugar.
Okay, and then I'm going to add what I usually do is either add cinnamon and clove, or this is another protein powder. It's more like got broccolis and mushrooms and cabbage and kale. So this is adding some extra vegetables in for the kids. And me, because I love to drink this chocolate hemp milk too. So add like a half a scoop of that.
And the nice thing about this milk is that when you're finished blending with it and you want to drink it right away, it is like, it's super frothy and fluffy.
It is. It's really good. Okay.
Yes. Okay. How much is a scoop?
Hit it, girl. Hit it.
A scoop?
Half a scoop.
Half a scoop. Okay.
Yeah. I don't want to overwhelm. This powder is actually a chai flavor, so it's like already got the cinnamon and the
chocolate.
Yep, and the vanilla flavor. Cool.
Boom.
Thank you. And then I'm gonna add vanilla.
And I made you laugh again, guys. I'm winning this.
Okay, I can get this top off.
Do you want me to do it? I'm stronger than you.
Stinker. While she's doing that, I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of cinnamon. And then I like to hide some other minerals in here because why would you not? This is like a mineral supplement. Just gonna put a few drops in there. This is trace minerals. So there's like 60 different minerals in there that we need every day. I thought we had an open one. Oh well.
Yeah, it's fine.
I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of vanilla, or maybe a tablespoon. I do have an actual recipe for this, but usually I just wing it. And then this is a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, a little less than a 1/4 cup. You can use any sweetener you want though.
Like agave nectar,
stevia,
yeah,
maple syrup, honey, if you're so inclined. Okay.
What does that mean? Inclined.
If you choose to do so.
Oh.
If you lean that direction.
It's dripping.
Okay, so
might as well. Oh.
This is all done. I'm not going to turn it on because that would be super annoying. But thanks for watching. Please share this video because that would really help me. You know what else helps? Comments.
Cinnamon.
Comment.
Forgot the cinnamon.
I put that in there actually.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. While you were struggling with the vanilla.
Hey.
Or join my group, Punk Rock Earth Mother, on Facebook. Lots and lots of good stuff in there. So please, message me, comment. Love you guys. Talk to you later.
Bye.